When I'm back on the town.
Okay.
You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, good. So here's the plan. Those nanomachines have definitely built the thing by now. So, once you push your hand against their skull, Blood Moon skull, whatever bodies can happen right now, they should just come out and swarm it, alright? They're then
Okay.
make a construct with the body from the control.
Does that hurt or is that like painless?
Oh, it is very painful.
Cool. I don't know if he
It's
feels
being
pain.
ripped out of your body and flesh being put into another one. It is not a simple process.
Oh, it's gonna hurt me. I was talking about him.
It'll hurt him a lot more than you.
I don't know if he even feels pain. So that's gonna be fun.
Well, we're about to find out, I guess. And by the way, because you said he was in the theater, I decided to allure him with a bunch of rats to Monte Gator Golden.
I can tell, that's why I'm here.
What do you mean you can tell?
Well, you had me go to Gator Golf, so
Yeah?
I assumed he was here.
Well, yeah? Okay, you know what? Yeah.
That feels like a contradictory explanation.
Shut up. Alright, look, I have no idea how in the world you're gonna get him to you, because he's probably just hiding somewhere, or I have no
I
idea
have a
what he's
plan.
doing.
Don't worry, I'll call you when it's done. Oh. I got blood bags!
Blood. I smell no blood. Putrid green and sickly purple.
Man, you really don't like those colors, do you?
Give me blood. I require redness.
Missy
Or you will die. Even if you do not bleed, your blood will be mine.
So you want a body, right?
Yes, body galore. I wish to feast on blood and bone. Blood and gore, rip and tear. Give me a body. I'll put it in a snare.
Okay, so, we've got a body situated for you, but apparently it's gonna be very painful for you, and a little painful for me.
I feel no pain. This is all for fun. Pain is just a glorious number one. Give us the body. Give us the body. Let us rule it like some kingdom come.
Okay, hold on. Before I give you the body, we gotta make an agreement here.
Agreements are for games to be unplayed. I wish to kill.
Wow, that's a aggressive conversation. Okay, stop moving. You gotta stay still for this.
Stay still is hard for us. We must kill. It is a must. Oh, hurry your hand, blue man.
Okay. Again, this is gonna hurt. And badoop. Yeah.
Pain and suffering is now upon us. Oh.
You look cool.
Body whole, body again. I am here and I'm back again. Time to bathe somebody from blue to red.
What?
Kill we shall. Kill we shall.
Immediately hit pause.
No.
What did you do? Why can't we kill? I can't feel it. I can't feel it. Why can I not feel bloody pain?
Did you really think that Monty wasn't gonna make a failsafe for you?
Ow! 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 I want to kill. Kill is all I need. Kill.
Okay. Preemptively, because I knew Monty was sending me here, I got an order of blood bags set up for you.
Huh? Where? Bloody bath?
On the stage, behind one of the speakers.
Blood, feed us now! We need
Missy
blood!
Mo.
Oh, hi.
First off, I was gonna say don't hang up on me. I'm well aware it's too late. Listen, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna sit on the bench while I wait for him
They
to
haven't
get
killed
his
you,
stuff.
have they?
No,
Tried to anyways.
he did try.
Of course you tried. I'm not surprised.
Didn't work. Your failsafe works perfectly. He just kinda like froze up in front of me.
I'm gonna be honest, that was a lucky guess.
Oh, cool. You good luck. So, oh, he's back.
Blood is filled to the brim. I'm satisfied now. I suppose I'll do your whim.
Oh, wow, he's really obedient when he gets blood. Okay, so for right now, I kinda need you to stay a little bit hidden.
Hidden? I thought we'd go after your brother!
Брат.
Eclipse's
Ow.
hands!
Our brother.
Our brother, he is not. He is yours. Ours. No, not.
Uh-huh. You like just repeating yourself sometimes. As much as I would love for you to just go jump Eclipse right now, there's a plan to things. Hey, you just snap your arm backward. Okay, that's weird. Nano machines are funky. Okay. I'm gonna let Monty talk to you real quick. You also have to listen to him.
Montgomery! Crocodile Red!
Hey, Monty, you're on speaker. Blood Moon can hear you now.
Oh, why did you do this to me? Him is the one I kill, then!
No. If you really need to kill, if you find a hobo or something, go for it.
Hobo?
You're only allowed to go 10 miles from the Pizzaplex.
I speak to other!
That's a very weird conversation.
Hi there.
Okay then. In that case, whenever you're not hunting for hobos, and you can only kill 2 hobos a day.
Ow! Oh. Bloody mess of Eclipse will do. The 2 hobos a day will keep us still.
Good. After that, I'll get you a daily supply of blood bags so we can hold you over and you'll be a little bit less violent.
Moon? Maybe. Sorry, Lunar. I'm sorry, I'm too used to the other one.
Yeah, what's up?
You're not gonna ask why they're so, inclined for blood.
Why are you inclined for blood?
Eclipse made us bloody once. He made us want to kill and kill.
That's how we were supposed to keep Moon in tow. If we killed and killed again, his mind would go
Yes? Who is it?
Booga booga!
below.
Oh. So you were meant to drive him insane by making him watch brutal murders.
Yes.
I suppose it's takeable that way, but we just wanted to kill. That's the fun of the game.
Well, there's your answer, Monty.
Look, guys, first things first. Before they let them out, they should be filled for now, right? That's what I
Are
said.
you guys good for now?
For now, we are full of bloody gore. What else would you need before we slumber? Clean up the place.
There you go, clean up. That's rude.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
It is not wrong for that gator freak. He does nothing more. He deserves nothing more.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this.
All he does is eat and sleep.
Me personally,
He's useless in tow.
me.
We will kill him soon.
Ow! Fine.
Please, just do Monty this one favor, go clean, and I'll get you another order of blood bags. Do you have a particular type of blood that you like?
We shall discuss with other. We've come to an agreement.
Oh, negative.
Yes.
O negative blood slips down easier.
Fair enough. I'll set it up in order for O negative blood.
Leonard,
What's up? Yeah, hi.
let me be frank, right? You're gonna need to get a lot of bodies for that.
Oh yeah, isn't O negative like really rare?
Yes.
How about O positive?
No! We want all negative blood!
What's your second favorite?
We shall convene with the other.
When I'm back on the cloud, you bitches.
We know not.
Okay, how about this? I'll get you 3 blood bags of every other blood type, and then you can tell me what your second favorite is. Since O negative's really hard to get.
Fine. We want more, though.
We'll get you more, but it's gonna be in a rare quantity. Whenever you do good, you get O negative.
Good. I'm no good. I'm killer.
When you do what we ask, nicely.
I know nice. What is this game? I don't like to play this one.
Here's the thing. I could just rip the nanomachines back out of you again. So listen, behave, and you get to keep your body, and you get some blood. You're like a baby. Okay.
Fine. Play your games, we shall. For now, we work for you, Luna. Let this game begin.
Hi there. My name's Charmander. And
Okay then. Get to cleaning. I'm gonna order the blood. Man, he is really draining.
Yeah. I've been trying to keep like a whole bunch of infestations in here. With rats and all that. They've done a lot more better work than any exterminator ever has.
That's good. Does he kill bugs too?
I have no idea. If it has blood, that's all he cares about.
Blood Moon, if you find any bugs, feel free to kill him. Okay.
Right. I think he's getting busy doing the thing.
Yeah, he's doing stuff. Okay. So, he now works for us, which is good.
Yeah, for now.
There's so much going on. I'm having trouble working on everything.
Well, you're doing good. Look, just get out of here for now, right? I'll keep Blood Moon here and make sure Eclipse doesn't find him.
Eclipse won't show up in here. He knows you're not going to show up here. You already checked it.
I know. Go on, get.